Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to create folders for your games. In the beginning, from the homepage of the console, go to Game Library. Go to your collection and enter Create Game List. Now select games you want to add to the folder and select Add. Now select Name and Confirm. And it's done. If you want to delete game list, press Options button on the controller and select Delete. Confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.